Do you know who's behind the murder?
Well, it may be because of the story I'm working on right now, but this one, it may also have been the work of neo-Nazis.
Okay. What makes you say that?
Because I testified against them. Precisely 1 year ago. And Medvedyenka, he tried to get them convicted for a extremely violent assault on a pregnant woman. She was 6 months pregnant. I can tell you, I was 6 months pregnant. And I gave birth to the baby in the gateway. But he died. I wrapped him in my coat. Even if he was dead, I was afraid the wool would scratch him. But I couldn't walk with him like that. He was so small. I don't even know why I ran to Jonas today. I should have gone to the newspaper.
Could they have protected you?
Protected me? No. Don't you know they lost 5 reporters? They are all dead. They are desperate on the paper. They are talking about arming us. And the people behind these murders, they count on impunity. They know they will never be convicted. And nobody is doing nothing about it, not even the West.
Is this the man? The man who shot Medvedenko?
Yes.
Then we can do something about it.